A blacklisted SBI FASTag can be a frustrating hurdle, disrupting your seamless travel on national highways. This status essentially means your tag is temporarily deactivated and won't work at toll plazas. To remove your SBI FASTag from the blacklist, you need to identify and address the root cause, then typically contact SBI for reactivation. Common reasons for SBI FASTag blacklisting. Insufficient balance. This is the most frequent reason. If your linked SBI FASTag account doesn't have enough funds to cover the toll charges, it will be blacklisted. Incomplete expired KYC. If you know your customer KYC documents are incomplete or outdated, your FASTag can be blacklisted. Banks are required to ensure updated KYC details. Vehicle registration issues. Discrepancies between the vehicle details linked to your FASTag and the National Vehicle Registry can lead to blacklisting. Suspected fraudulent activity. If SBI detects any suspicious or unauthorized transactions on your FASTag account, it may temporarily block it as a security measure. Law enforcement blacklisting. In some cases, law enforcement agencies can blacklist your FASTag if your vehicle is involved in any violations or offenses. Multiple payment failures. Consistent failures in toll transactions can also trigger a blacklisting. Technical errors. Occasionally, system glitches or errors can lead to an erroneous blacklisting. Steps to remove your SBI FASTag from the blacklist. Identify the reason. Check your SBI FASTag portal app, log in to your SBI online banking portal or the SBI FASTag app. Navigate to the FASTag section to view its current status. It should indicate if it's active, inactive, or blacklisted, and sometimes provide a reason. SMS alerts. SBI usually sends SMS alerts regarding low balance or blacklisting. Check your messages. NPCI FASTag portal. You can also check the general NETC FASTag status on the official NPCI website by entering your vehicle registration number or FASTag ID. Contact SBI customer support. If you're unsure about the reason, the quickest way to find out is to call SBI FASTag customer care. Address the cause. Insufficient balance. If this is the issue, immediately recharge your SBI FASTag account with sufficient funds. Ensure you maintain a buffer amount. The blacklisted status often automatically changes to active once the account is adequately funded. KYC issues. Log into your SBI FASTag portal or visit an SBI branch to update your KYC documents. Follow the instructions provided by the bank. Vehicle discrepancies. Contact SBI customer care to rectify any incorrect vehicle details linked to your FASTag. You might need to provide supporting documents. Law enforcement fraud. If blacklisted due to legal issues or suspected fraud, you will need to resolve these with the relevant authorities or by reporting to the bank, respectively. SBI customer care can guide you on the specific steps. Outstanding dues penalties. Clear any pending toll dues or penalties associated with your FASTag promptly. Contact SBI for reactivation. After resolving the underlying issue, if your FASTag doesn't automatically get reactivated, you must contact SBI FASTag customer support. Provide them with your FASTag details, tag ID, vehicle number, and explain that you have rectified the reason for blacklisting. If you recharged, provide transaction evidence. They will verify the resolution and initiate the reactivation process. Important considerations. Timelines. While insufficient balance blacklisting often resolves almost instantly upon recharge, other issues like KYC or law enforcement blacklisting might take 24 to 48 hours or even longer to clear after resolution. Double penalties. A blacklisted FASTag will not work at toll plazas, forcing you to pay cash, often at double the toll amount. Resolve the issue before your next journey to avoid inconvenience and extra charges. Auto recharge. To prevent future blacklistings due to low balance, consider enabling the auto recharge feature for your SBI FASTag account, if available. Regular checks. Periodically check your FASTag balance and status, especially before long journeys, to ensure a hassle free travel experience.